Okay, look at her for a sec. This girl's about to hit 100,000 followers. She dances, she does the whole day in my life thing, brands are paying her to post. People are in her comments every day, and she's not real, like at all. I made her. Her name's Nova, she doesn't exist, and honestly, that's not even the crazy part. There are AI influencers out there right now with actual followings and actual brand deals, and their fans have no idea. Last video, I showed you how to make these AI people sell stuff. Today, we're building a whole fake influencer who just posts and blows up. Come on, let's make her. So, same tool as last time, ugcvideo.ai, but we're using two different features today, and these are the ones that make her feel actually alive. There's motion sync, which gets her moving, dancing, walking, doing trends, not just standing there talking, and UGC video, which does the casual lifestyle stuff, the day in the life vibe that real influencers basically live on. So, build her, make her move, make her content. It's all on my desktop, I'm showing you everything. First, I need the actual person. So in UGC character, I put Nova together. 22, easy streetwear kind of style, warm face, someone who looks like a real creator just starting to pop off, not a magazine model. That girl next door who's slightly too cool thing. And here's the bit that matters. Once I save her, I can use her again forever. Every video, every dance, every post, it's this exact same Nova. And that's genuinely why this works. She never ages, never has a bad day, looks identical in every single post. That's the thing that makes people go, wait, is she a real person? You can't clock her because she's always the same. Right, one saved character, and now I can make endless stuff with her. Let's make her move. Okay, this is the one that sells it. Motion Sync takes Nova and syncs her to a movement, a dance, a walk, whatever. So instead of a stiff little avatar, you get someone who moves like she's actually filming a reel on her phone. So I grab Nova, give it a trending dance, and just let it cook. I'm not gonna cut away, watch it happen. I mean, come on. That's the same Nova, now dancing, on beat, moving totally naturally, same face the whole way through. That right there is the difference between, yeah, that's obviously AI, and, hang on, is she real? And that one clip? That's a viral post on its own. Quick thing, treat Motion Sync as your scroll stopper. Start every post with a movement clip, a dance or a walk toward the camera. Because motion in that first second is what stops the thumb. Static stuff gets skipped. Moving stuff gets watched, every time. Now let me show you the rest of Nova clips I made. So that's her moving. But a real influencer isn't just dancing, right? Two quick things and then we keep going. Hit subscribe if you're into the free and cheap AI stuff nobody else is really showing. That's my whole thing here. And I made you a free PDF with Nova's exact prompt. The motion sync setups, all the content prompts, ready to copy paste, no email wall. It's the first link down there. And since UGC Video's sponsoring this, they sorted you out. Sign up with my link in the description and you get 30 free credits just for signing up, then 30 more after your first generation. So that's 60 free credits to go build your own Nova before you pay a cent. Go grab those, then come build the rest with me. So the dancing gets the views, but people don't follow a dance, they follow a person. That's what UGC Video is for. It turns Nova into what they call a natural virtual idol, which is just a fancy way of saying, the casual talking clips, day in the life, get ready with me, that stuff. The content that actually makes someone hit follow. So I give her a throwaway line. Honestly, best coffee spot in the city, no notes. Pick a setting, hit go. And there she is, just talking to her audience like a normal creator. So now you've got both halves. Motion sync for the dance that gets you seen, and this for the personality that gets you followed. Put those two together, and that's a virtual influencer. That's the whole thing. One tip, Give her a consistent personality. Same niche, same way of talking, every clip. Because people don't fall for a face, they fall for a vibe. So my Nova's always a bit dry, a bit sure of herself. Keep that the same and randoms turn into actual fans. Before we go further, let me show you the rest of the videos I made with Nova.
Honestly, best coffee spot in the city. No notes. If you know, you know.
Get ready with me for absolutely nothing because I have no plans and I've never been happier.
Come spend the day with me. Stay with my flying lab. Spoiler, it's mostly coffee and overthinking.
Oh, real quick, because people always ask. Nova doesn't only have to make content. These same AI characters can pick up an actual product and film a proper ad, exactly like a real UGC creator would. Holding it, talking about it, the whole thing. I did a full video on that one, making AI ad videos that actually sell stuff. It's linked up in the corner and at the end. So the wild part is the same character you just built can do both jobs. Post lifestyle content to grow the account and film ads to make money. Same face, two completely different hustles. Look at how great it looks.
Guys, stop scrolling. I finally got my hands on the viral Glow Drop Serum. My skin was literally so dull last month, but this stuff, absolute game changer. Just look at this texture. It's so lightweight and absorbs instantly without feeling sticky. I just use 3 drops every morning in my kitchen routine, and my face literally glows all day. Trust me, grab yours before it sells out again. Link in the bottom left. Stop scrolling! I just found the perfect everyday sneaker, and I'm obsessed. Just look at these Cloud Step beauties. The cream color with this gum sole, chef's kiss. The knit texture is so breathable and they literally feel like walking on clouds. They pair perfectly with my cargo pants. Seriously, so versatile. If you want ultimate comfort without sacrificing style, click the link and grab yours.
Okay, but here's the part that'll actually make you want to do this instead of just watching me do it. Because this isn't a fun little project. People are making real money off these. Let me show you how. So, AI influencers are landing actual brand deals right now. A brand pays them to post, exactly like they'd pay a human, except the influencer is a character you completely own. And because Nova's free to generate and you can reuse her forever, you can just post every day. Dance clip, lifestyle clip, repeat. Build the following up, and then the brands come to you. No face, no camera, you never have to show up. You own the influencer, the audience, and the money. So don't think one clip, think one character, posted every day, growing an account. That's a genuine asset, and it costs you nothing but a few prompts. Now, once Nova's posting daily, you hit the boring part, getting every clip onto every platform. That's what I use repurpose.io for. You post once, and it fires it out to TikTok, Reels, Shorts, Facebook, all automatic, captions and everything. And it strips that TikTok watermark so Shorts doesn't bury your video. For an account that posts every day, it just saves your life. Links in the description. It's an affiliate link, so it helps me out. And there's a free trial, so you can just try it. So yeah, that's a virtual influencer, start to finish. Build her, motion sync to make her move, UGC video to give her a personality, and off she goes. Go grab your 60 free credits from the link in the description, get the PDF, and honestly, go build your Nova tonight. And tell me down in the comments, what niche should her account be? Best one, I'm building the whole thing in the next video. And if you missed part 1, where I use these same AI people to make actual product ads, it's right there. Go watch that one next.